Welcome to the 3D Ghost universe, a place dedicated to 3D creation and 3D printing. This quick video will show you how to adjust the temperature of the nozzle or of the bed during your print. Of course, it will not be the same for all 3D printers. My example will be on the Creality CR10 V2, but the operation is quite similar for all 3D printers. Of course, you know that you can preheat your bed and your nozzle by going to Prepare and going to Preheat. But what you might don't know is that it's possible during the print to change the temperature of the nozzle or the temperature of the bed if you are seeing something wrong with your print. And this adjustment will be by going into the Control menu and no more the Prepare menu. In this example, we are now decreasing the temperature of the nozzle and the temperature of the bed. This little option is useful for me because I'm using pre-record settings in Cura, and sometimes when I'm using a new brand of filament, I forgot to adjust the temperature of the nozzle in the G-code. So having the possibility to adjust that without creating a new G-code is great.